Yo, what's going on, fam? Sorry if I look a bit tired, but picking up my boy Immy, and we're making a road trip to go pick up some parts. In the last video I said I had a couple things coming, and this wasn't confirmed until right after I dropped that video, so I'm actually super excited. If you guys can't already tell by the title of the video what's going down, you guys are in for something nice.
What up, fam? Oh shit! What's going on, Huck? See it. Oh, yeah. Space.
Yo, what's going on? It's like 2.5, maybe 3 hours later. We drove all the way out to Niagara area and we picked up the package. I'm not gonna open these here. I'm gonna go home and take a look. I've already taken a look at one and it's actually really nice. And to go along with these wheels, to get some project kicks, lugs.
Okay.
A lot of people recommend it. Actually, Ron like, yo, you definitely got to get the kicks. So yeah, we got the kicks. And I'll open these at home and show you guys what we got. But until then, let me know in the comments below what you guys think these wheels are and what finish they are. They can probably see this, but don't look at that. No, play fairly.
Blur it out.
I'll blur it out. You guys got to let me know in the comments what you think is happening here. So we'll catch you guys back home.
Is it
push it forward.
Is it doing it?
Yeah. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, what's going on?
I'm gonna kill your yo, look how far it goes.
It goes so far.
That's
what the hell?
hilarious.
This is the most ghetto car in the world.
So funny.
My freaking cap fell off. It's still spurting. He's like taking a piss on himself. Freaking small dick problems. Alright, we gotta go home. We gotta get out of here.
I got nothing less than Gucci on my and if I ever go missing, you can find me. 510 spot.
This is why you don't buy an old German car, because now everything just starts falling apart. We literally, before we even started our trip, this stupid window got stuck down. Got a issue with the window motor, I think, so we're just taking apart the door card and everything and trying to roll the window up. And at least we keep everything safe in the car. Literally everything in the car is more valuable than the car itself right now. So, you know, this is like number one priority. Freaking food's going cold.
We gotta do it.
But
alright, that might help. You're right though. This is bomb.
it's sick, right?
Yeah, this is sick.
It's sick.
It's really good.
Always leads to disaster. 2. You're a princess from a society of immortal warriors. I'm a rich
2,000 years later.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's been a couple days. I got the wheels in my house right now, and I waited a couple days so I could get some ceramic coating. So this is some Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light, 30 milliliters. I also have some diluted alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, which I'll use to clean the wheels and apply the ceramic coat. And I did an unboxing on Instagram, but I figured I should also do one for you guys for YouTube. So I'm actually really impressed with the packaging from Raze. This is probably one of the more or better packaged products I've purchased for my car. And I'm really glad, because these are expensive ass wheels. Each wheel is packaged very well. Each one comes with its own red spoke sticker. I'm really glad that comes with it, so you don't have to buy it separately. And then on the face of the wheel, you have this nice Raze soft cap. And you pull this up, and there we go. This is the pressed graphite TE37 SL. If you guys hadn't already figured it out or seen it on Instagram, these wheels are literally so beautiful. You've got like a gunmetal finish on the spokes, and then this machined or diamond cut polished center and lip all around. And under the wheel down there, you can see there is the red valve stem that comes with each wheel, and that's there to match the red sticker, which is gonna look pretty sick. So I'm gonna open all 4 wheels, lay them out, clean them all up, do the ceramic coat, and we'll get these mounted up soon. Now the good thing about ceramic coating your wheels is that it'll make them a lot easier to clean in the long term. It also provides a slight layer of protection on your wheels so that they won't get damaged as easily. And I'm not a detailer or anything like that, so we'll see how this turns out. This will be my first try ever doing ceramic coat on my own. Okay, so I just finished cleaning the wheels. Before I ceramic coat, I am gonna start putting on the spoke stickers. And believe it or not, there is only one way to put them on. There's a right way and there's a wrong way. Basically, if you look at the valve stem and treat that at the bottom of your wheel, you go 2 spokes to the right, basically 90 degrees over. This spoke here is the one you put the sticker on, and that's the same for every wheel. Ooh, that looks pretty damn good. Doesn't that look sick? All 4 wheels are done. These are gonna look really nice with the Brembos on the car. Alright, so now that the stickers are done and the wheels are clean, let's hit up some ceramic coat. So the Crystal Serum package comes with 30 milliliter bottle, an applicator pad, and a little pipette. So what I'm reading online is that you actually don't need to do a second coat of this stuff. 1 coat is good enough. There's a topper called EXO you can put on that increases how hydrophobic the coating can be. So we'll just do 1 coating for now because I just want to get the wheels mounted ASAP, and in the future maybe we'll do a second coating and we'll see how long this stuff lasts. Again, this is my first time ceramic coating anything. I have no idea if this is actually that good or not. I've seen a couple YouTube videos. It looks easy to apply, and I'm excited to see how this stuff works. So it might be a little bit hard to tell. I think you can tell on that far spoke over there. It looks a little bit beady. It looks a little wet. I didn't put that much on there, so what that means is the product has settled and bonded to the coating of the wheel. And now all you gotta do is wipe it off with a fresh microfiber. So far so good. So far really easy to use. I'm actually very excited to see how this protects the wheel in the future from all the Brembo brake dust that my car sheds. So all of the wheels are coated. I've done the face, I've done the spokes, done the lip, I flipped them over, I did the barrels, and I used less than 1/5 of this bottle. I probably used about, so focus, I probably used maybe 5 to 6 milliliters total. So I will keep this stuff after winter, definitely put another coating on. I might look into the EXO topper. That might make it more hydrophobic. Now, I don't know if my mind's playing tricks on me, but these are already looking nicer. Like maybe the color's coming out better, or maybe it's just like all in my mind. Maybe the fumes from this stuff, because this stuff does have some crazy scent. Maybe this is making me go a little bit crazy, but the wheels already look good. I didn't get any of that like rainbow effect you see on some wheels when the coating is incorrectly applied. In this wheel, I got this one stood face up, so I can show you guys what face 4 concave looks like, because it's kind of hard to tell with the wheel sitting flat. But if you look here, look how deep the spokes go. Like, this looks amazing. I can't wait to have these on the car. So that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the road trip and the unboxing and ceramic coating of these wheels. Tomorrow we'll be taking them to get mounted with some tires and then put on the car. So stay tuned, come back to the channel, check out the video when it drops. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.